question which many engineers who already worked on microcontroller designs and analog interfaces ask is how difficult it is to work on high-speed designs. To answer this question, for working on high-speed designs, engineer needs to know analog, digital, and RF fundamentals. When a designer works on high-speed designs, on paper everything looks like digital, but actually what gets transferred doesn't look like digital signal. They are almost analog in nature due to the rise times involved. High-speed signals analysis is so difficult that engineers have to rely on signal integrity tools to understand the signal performance in a channel. If someone wants to work on high-speed designs, knowing the CAD tools which does signal integrity are important. Most commonly used tools are hyperlynx and sigrity. 3D electromagnetic simulation software is a must with ever-evolving complex high-speed designs. hfss from ANSYS is one tool which every high-speed designer must know.